I'm Tom Bassett-Dilley of TBDA, architect here in Oak Park, Illinois, and I'm in our FIAS 0 certified historic renovation project. As a FIAS project, it's super energy efficient, and one of the key components of that, of course, in the thermal envelope are the windows. And over the years, we have used Alpen windows time and again to get us our super high performance that we need. So these are triple glazed windows with fiberglass frames. It's their Zenith Series. The frames are insulated. They're also Declare label certified. So the Living Future Institute has created a Declare label, which is a program for product manufacturers to declare the recipes of their products so that we can know that they're non-toxic. So these are Red List certified windows as well. They have extremely high, passive house level of performance. So as we look to building more energy efficient projects, products like Alpen's windows are absolutely key.